In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website on Google Workspace. So first thing you need to do is you need to head over to sites.google.com. Just head over right here into this URL and then you will be prompted to log in into your Google account. So as long as you have a Google account, you can access everything on the Google Workspace such as the Google Sites. So on my case, I've already logged in right here onto the Google Sites as indicated by my profile icon. So in order to build a website, first thing we need to do is to click onto this right here. We can start a blank site or some templates like family update, portfolio event, as well as a lot more once we browse the template library. So in here, you can see some template libraries for the personal. We have in here work, we have project, team, and as well as a lot more. So in this case, let's just choose in here a template that we wish to utilize. For example, on this, let's choose in here this particular project. You can click on that particular template and then this will load your Google Sites in order to open in here this. So for this case, just name your site, change in here the text that we have, and you can also embed some elements, content blocks, and the likes. So you can input right here or insert some text box, images, embed some third-party tools, and also insert right here things from your Google Drive. You can also add some content blocks, like for example, in here this. Let's try to add one. You can just drag and drop it wherever you want to put it. For example, let's long press this and then drop it right here, and you should be able to see it added almost instantly. We also have collapsible group, table of contents, image carousels, buttons, dividers, and as well as a lot of things that you can see right here. Once you're done, just head over and click onto this publish right here in order to publish your site, and then just input right here the word or web address that you wish to use. So that's how you build a website on Google Workspace. I hope this video helped you out.